The First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa of Zimbabwe accused major disruptions in Masvingo on Wednesday after instructing local schools to transport students to a rally at the showgrounds, effectively halting normal school activities for the day. Sanavana mashoko tinokuti vanhu voti aiwa Auxilia unokonzeresa chaos kuMasvingo. Sati zvakamboitika nokuda kwekutya vachiona kuti hapana kana vanhu vari kuuya kumarallies aone kuvateverera. Subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa a school head confirmed the directive, saying, "Yes, we were instructed to release our bus for the rally. Our students also participated in the First Lady's event. This unexpected move not only interrupted lessons but also created a logistical chaos within the city. In addition to the disruption in education, Mnangagwa's security detail caused heavy traffic congestion throughout Masvingo. Observers noted that the high level of security surrounding the First Lady seemed to reflect growing tensions within the ZANU-PF party. In a separate incident, a Zupco bus, which was set to ferry ZANU-PF supporters in the First Lady's rally, was swept away by strong floodwaters at Musave's Bridge in Chibe Ward 3. The bus had not yet picked up passengers when the flooding occurred. The driver was forced to abandon the vehicle and swim to safety. During a rally, the First Lady took the opportunity to promote her philanthropic initiatives, including donating books to students across the province. "I'm proud of my philanthropic efforts," Mnangagwa said, as he presented the books intended to benefit local learners. Domashoko emaevents ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa tona masecurity detail achinyanyo kuzara, vanhu vanonyasa kuona kuti aiwa these guys vari kutya kufamba kwavari kuita, havane top security nehigh massive security. Vasaratidza kuti aiwa kungofamba zvavo, but they know kuti they are done. Ndodze mafunguro emutodei pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu, so subscribe or like, so turn the bell icon.